Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, back to the CST output um, for the design of rectangular antenna for 27 gigahertz resonant frequency. Okay, since we already here, there are updated parameter list. We already changed the length of the patch to 3.18 and the width of the patch to 3.95. This is the optimum value based on the parameter sweeping that we done previously. Okay, and so it's good for you to again start the simulation again, so you can check back the data. So I already done that, and so based on this is the updated parameter. So ignore this. This is just the rest of the measurement that I already done. Okay, so what we want to see is the only want to just to see the current value. So this is the um, so the value the same. So basically the return loss is minus 14.08 dB and the resonant frequency is 37.012. So this is very close. Okay, just move to the minimum. So basically this is very close to the our targeted output 37 gigahertz. So I'm very pleased with these results. Okay, um, the only thing that we want to do basically just to try and utilize um, the optimizer, okay, features in this simulation. So optimizer, select optimizer. Okay, optimizer. So again, almost similar values here. We're gonna choose again the LP, also WP. Okay, so the initial value is 3.18 and 3.19. So we don't want this to be too high. Let's try 5%. Okay, 5%. All right. Oh, sorry. There's some error here. Basically, after setting, we need to set the goals. So uh, there's a standards and add new goals. So we want to see this magnetic device. So we can select magnitude. So S11 the best value for S11. Okay, so that's your goals. The rest nothing. You can now try to start this. Okay, so we can increase it to 5%. Set the maximum. Start again. Values. Best parameter is stored. So this is the parameter. We up to 10%. Then we We want it to be very, again, similar, maximum. Check this. We have updated this to the maximum. The setting I used 10%, so this is quite largely. So maybe we have to stop this and redo it with the proper setting. Okay, you can close this optimizer to stop. Close this. Sorry. Pause. Okay, and then discard. So this is one option. You can stop and then abort. Again, this to 3%. We set the maximum. So the range is not so high. 1%. Okay, this looks good. So we want to have the maximum. Okay, we have the other parameter that we can choose in the text. The SWR, something like that. You can also focus on that. Okay. So let's change here the maximum value. Okay, so you can click start. So you can see the progress here. And it will show the best parameter on this view, optimizer view. Okay.